watching. Hey guys, it's V here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the be like a noob, get your avatar to a noob without having to use any Robux. So what you want to do is open up Safari and go to web.roblox.com. If you are not loaded up, you should just log in. So then what you need to do is on the left top corner there's 3 lines. You should press that, and then there's a whole bunch of things you can go to. You should go to avatar. So now that we're at avatar, you can see that I have my Roblox character here. What you're supposed to do is take off all of your clothes. Sounds creepy, but you're supposed to do that. Let's go, so now, no, not shirts. So now go to body and then press skin tone. So once you're here, so before I show you, this does not work on just regular Roblox. So if you open up the app, this doesn't work, but it does on Safari. So go to skin tone and then scroll down. You'll see advanced. So press that. Don't go to all. Switch to different body parts. So you can change any color of any body part you want. I'm just showing, for example, a noob. So what you're gonna do is switch to different things like limbs and torsos and heads. And so you can color them differently instead of all, which changes all of your colors. So go to head and then choose yellow, because that's the start of our noob. Then go to torso and choose blue. Go to left arm and choose yellow again. Go to right arm and choose yellow. And then the left leg and right leg are both green. And the colors of green and all of the colors, they don't really matter, like I said. So, okay, so it looks like I didn't get my face on, so I need to take it off. I don't know why I have it on. 1 second. Okay, so you can also go to the scale and let's see, go to R6. You actually don't need to do this on scale, it just shows us on your avatar. So now what you should do is go to Roblox, and it won't look like you have it on your avatar right here, but it does on here, and it also does on games. So it won't look like you have it on here, but if you join a game, let's say Corridor of Hell, your avatar is that. So you can do this with any skin tone, anything you want. So yeah, that's basically all. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, or if it wasn't, please like and subscribe, even if you hate me and hate my videos. Please. Okay, anyways, Goodbye, you guys. Get ready for the outro.